How you going, YouTubers? Quick video here about an issue I had with my R129 Mercedes 280 SL 1999 build. Had the usual fault, or common fault with these, is the BAS ASR ABS light coming on whenever you depress the brake pedal. Replace the brake light switch. There's numerous videos on YouTube how to do this. Wouldn't resolve the issue. Ended up tracing the wiring from these pins here on the brake light switch to the ASR module here. Found damaged wiring, particularly this wire here, black with red trace. That's an interface between the ASR system and the rear brake lights. This has now resolved the issue, and I'm about to clear the code logged in the system with my Snap-on MT2500. Hope this helps you out. If you have a similar issue with your BAS ASR on any Merc from the late 90s. Thanks for watching.